I'm really happy this day has arrived. It's a big deal for management, for labor, as well as for the United States of America. I really mean it.
U.S. President Joe Biden at the White House Wednesday celebrated the ratification of a new contract for 22,000 employees at 29 West Coast ports. Members of the International Longshore and Warehouse Union voted to approve the deal with management last week. Biden, who is campaigning for re-election in 2024, touted the work of his administration to expand port operations during the health crisis to ease the supply chain bottlenecks. He said the improved flow of goods is contributing to lower prices for Americans.
This has a direct impact on reducing inflation. When the cost of moving goods through supply chains goes up, inflation goes up. Strengthening supply chains and inflation goes down. That's why we made fixing our supply chains to bring down inflation a top priority, and it's working. Today, inflation is down to around 3%, about 1/3 of what it was 1 year ago.
Biden also reiterated his support for union workers and the middle class, key blocks of voters as he faces what is expected to be a tough re-election effort.
American union workers are the best in the world, and they do their job on time, long term, and at less cost over time. People are starting to understand that. That's why America's support for unions is higher than it's been in nearly 60 years.
But other potential labor strife now looms. A dispute between auto workers and car companies over a new contract could escalate after workers voted to authorize a strike last week.